Okay, so home stretch. This will be our final video of the set. I'll keep on making other retirement tips, including how to generate more retirement income. But remember, our goal was to work on a YouTube video that is generated from scratch that you made using artificial intelligence. And I showed you before that you can get millions of views if you have the right combination of likability and if you are able to grab a trend, then it could easily supplement your income. So I'm glad I can show you guys how to do this. But basically, our goal is to make something like this. So now we have our song ready. Actually, that's not going to work. Let's play it using QuickTime. And we have our picture that we will use, which is this thing right here. And we want to animate this. So for that, I'm going to use something called High-Low AI, which is an artificial intelligence tool that looks like this. It's High-Low AI.video. And I have a paid version, but you use the image to text option, and you put the video that you want to use. You see that I did this before to make that file that I showed as an example. I'm going to use this one this time. And this might take a few tweakings, but we're going to use this and say, please use this image to create a HD 3D video file, 10 seconds long, showing the animals dancing in the forest. The movement should be natural and minimal, but showing dance moves. So we may have to do this a few times. Let's see how this looks. This is artificial intelligence at its best. Home stretch. And if you have this subscription for, as I said, Adobe Express for about $120 per year, ChatGPT, you can use the free version. Hailuo will cost about $120 as well. You should be able to do this on a regular basis and have a lot of fun doing it as well. So look at this. This is actually very decent. So you see that the rabbit is dancing up and down. Our bear is dancing. And our raccoon is dancing as well. So actually, this is actually very good. So I will go ahead and download this without watermark. I have this option because I'm using the paid version. But I want to also make a tweak as well. We can say let's have the blue ball move as well. It's a small tweak. But actually, that was not a bad first attempt by AI. And then from there, we should be able to actually assemble it and be done with our tutorial. And really, the sky's the limit. You saw that using Suno AI, and also, by the way, in terms of the cost, I did pay for Suno AI. So I paid for 3 things. I paid for this, which is Adobe Express 120, Hilo 120, ChatGPT for free, but then also Suno AI, which is the song making artificial intelligence. So I spent about $360 in total, which really isn't that bad. And you can have a lot of fun doing this throughout the year. And the key will be to generate some income after you are a successful YouTuber. You can change the genre. You can change the videos that you make. I would not use real people. I would always use animation. You can use animals. You can use people if you wanted to, but generally that's it. Okay. Well, actually, you know what? That ball moved, but I wanted it to bounce up and down. So in this case, the AI didn't particularly do what I wanted to, but that's okay. I'm going to use the first version. So that's it. So from here, we will go back to the assembly tool called Adobe Express, and all of our files are right here. So this is the movie file that we will use. And you can see that even I did catch this last time, but I can see that even the water is bouncing up and down, which is pretty cool. And everything's moving pretty naturally, so that's good. We'll use this file, and then we'll use our Hello New Day file. From here, I go to Upload, and I will upload my video file. You have to upload the video file first. Edit video. And then what you do is basically you copy and paste this. And the way you do that is you select the file, and then you hit Command D, which duplicates it. And I'll do this a few times because our song was about 1 minute long. We want to make sure that we have enough videos for that 1 minute mark. Let's go ahead and duplicate that one more time so that we have about 1 minute worth of animation. And then what you want to do is in between you want to add some transition, because you'll notice that if you just play this, there might be a slight jump in the video. Yeah, like that. So you want to make sure that you cover that by adding some type of transition. And for me, always, this is probably the better one. You can alternate between dip to white or dip to black. Do that a few times. You can also do dissolve. And then we'll do that again. Just as an example. We can do slide. And this is just an example. I'll just do this a few times. And then we will add the audio file, which is right here. Add audio file, upload from device. We will upload our song, Happy New Day. And voila, that's it. And then, you'll notice that the audio file will only go as far as the video file goes. So you have to upload the video file first in my observation. And then you can delete the extra ones. So this song was 47 seconds long. So I'll go ahead and delete these extras right here. And literally that's it. So let's go ahead and play this.
Hello, new day. Hello, new day. Sun is up, we come to play. Me and you and me. Happy day for all to see. Hello, hello. Come and play. Hello, hello. Happy day. Hello, hello. Me and you. Hello, hello. Fun to do. Final closing. Hello, new day. We smile and say hello, hello. Hello, new day. Happy day, love.
And so there's no copyright issues because we generated this ourselves. From soup to nuts, we created the image. We then animated it using high-low AI. We used ChatGPT to write the lyrics. We used Suno AI to generate the song. So the whole thing is made by us. And then literally you just download the entire thing from here. You can go to 1080p, download. And you, my friends, have just created your very first YouTube video that you can upload. You can create your own channel. One of my next videos will be how to create your own YouTube channel as well. And so that's it. Good luck. And if you have any comments, you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. But don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll keep on uploading retirement tips. Thank you. And so here is the final video right here that we created.
Hello, new day. Hello, new day. Sun is up, we come to play.
Happy making.